Missouri's Healthcare Freedom Act, or Proposition C, making national headlines today. It passed 71 to 29%. Sloan Heller's in the studio to explain why, even though Missourians have voted yes on Prop C, it may not stand up in court. Good morning, Sloan.
Hey, Krista. Well, Prop C basically allows state law to trump federal law, and a lot of people are wondering, is that actually going to fly in the courts? President Barack Obama's new health care law requires most people to have health insurance by 2014 or pay a fine. Now, under Prop C, people in Missouri actually will have the right to decide if they want health insurance. If they don't, then they won't have to pay. We have seen other states challenge this very same federal law through the courts and through legislatures, but Missouri is the first state in the entire country to actually challenge it on a ballot. Now, this is the important part. Before Prop C is final, the courts are going to have to weigh in and say the federal law is unconstitutional. Some are telling us that that is highly unlikely.
Most legal scholars, I think, would say that it's more likely that the federal law will be upheld and that the states will be told, I'm sorry, you may not like this, but you're required to participate because it's a valid federal law, and that takes priority over the state's wishes.
And you know, the big thing is, Krista, the professor said anything can really happen because you're dealing with judges and you never know how they're going to decide at the end of the day with this. So.
And depending on which judge you have, too, it can go either way, really. So what's next for this?
Well, two things can happen. The states can actually go initiate this legal challenge themselves, or they can wait for the federal government to sue them in court. But either way, think about it. This piece of the federal law, actually paying a fine for not having insurance, that's not going to take effect until 2014. So this is going to go on for a couple of years. We're only in 2010 right now.
But a statement nonetheless made by the Missouri voters.
It is.
Sure.
It's a political statement nonetheless. Absolutely.
All right. Thank you very much, Sloan.